Hello and welcome to the London Car Alarm Company. Today we fitted an Autowatch Ghost to a 2016 Jaguar F-Type. This product's very straightforward to use. How it works is someone steals your keys, jumps in, tries to start it. This is what will happen. The vehicle won't start. Okay? So basically now every time you jump into the car, you turn on the ignition, insert a preset code, which on this one here we've selected this one 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. The indicators will flash twice, and then you'll be able to start the vehicle. Very, very straightforward to use. Very, very covert. This also has the facility that if you're ever taking the car for a service and you don't want to disclose the code, you have a procedure like this. So ignition on, insert your secret code, you receive a double flash, and then you hit the cancel button 5 times. Indicators will flash 5 times. The vehicle now is in valet mode, so we can start it, move it around, take it for a car wash, take it for a service, leave it with them. Don't need to disclose the code. So we'll start the vehicle again and it will start, you'll see, with no code. Straightforward, very, very straightforward, very easy to use. When you receive the vehicle back, to place the product back into protection mode, i.e. ghost mode, ignition on, insert your secret code once again, get a double flash, start your vehicle, drive it away, straightforward. Now when you turn it off, leave it about 5 seconds. If you try and start it, you'll see the vehicle won't start. The vehicle won't start. Okay? So insert the code again. Double flash, straightforward. Very, very straightforward to use. The product also comes with a card. Should you ever forget the code and you need to disarm it, or if you're driving down the road and you spill, say, some Coca-Cola over the buttons or something and you can't start it, it then comes with a procedure on how to reinsert a new code. This is the card it comes with. Don't know if you can see it very clearly. It contains all the information on what you need to do should you 1, forget the code, or 2, damage any of the buttons. Hope this video has been useful. My name's Otto, company's called London Car Alarm Company. The number to me is 0208 906 0478. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.